Okay, so check this out. Freezing rain tonight. Looking out the bedroom window here. And as soon as the rain is hitting anything, it's freezing. Check it out. I'm not so sure how good you can see this because it's kind of dark, but all the limbs, the tree itself, my roof, everything, sheet ice. Just a straight sheet of ice. And it's going to do this all night. So in the morning, it might be a little crazy getting to work, but we'll get there. But yeah, I just thought I'd share this with you. It's kind of cool looking. Check that out. The wires, everything covered in ice. Until next time, thanks for watching.